The thing that everyone who has come up here goes crazy over. I'm about to show you.
Alright, let's go.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny day, sunny day, sunny day.
You guys have asked for it, a tour of our upstairs addition to our house. If you're new here, I'm Lena. This is flipping gorgeous, and for the past 3 years, we have been renovating our family home, and the last piece of the puzzle was the unfinished upstairs. Yes, you're gonna be shocked when you see the finished product that this was left as unfinished attic space.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Before we head on upstairs, you might remember that this was a full-blown wall covering the staircase. And when we started this project, I really thought we've got to be able to open that wall, show the staircase so that it feels intentional and not just like an afterthought. And we have to admire the staircase. We have to just look how beautiful it is. And it opened the whole room up, and now it really feels like it's just a part of the main living space, and it was always supposed to be here. Welcome to the finished upstairs. And if you remember what this looked like before, it was just stuff. Where I'm standing right now actually was a bathroom in the original floor plan, and we turned it into a hallway so we could create the Jack and Jill bathrooms that would connect the two boys' rooms. So here is one room. We did these massive built-ins, which I really, really love. Just kind of working with the slanted angles. I love the slanted angles. My son decided he wanted a white room. We were thinking about doing some color, but the white actually works out good. And then just some little pops of color, like painting the shelves black. He's a big Squishmallow fan, so we have lots of Squishmallows. This child of mine is the collector. So he collects lots of different things. So he's got all his collections in here. Now this is the part that I really love. I really love the boys' bathroom. And when I was designing it, I wanted something that could grow with them. And they're 9 and 7 at the time of this video. So they're still little boys, but they're getting into kind of those preteen years. So I picked items that I thought were a little masculine. Again, the real estate agent and me kind of had to be quiet because I'm like, pick neutrals, but we didn't go real neutral on here. Come take a look. I think one of my favorite things in here is the floor. I love this black hexagon floor. We were gonna do white, and then I remembered my boys have terrible aim, so we needed to do black. So that was like a last minute change. It cost me a little bit of money to make the change, but so worth it. I really love the vanity. Again, kind of going with something that's a little bit masculine, but gonna grow with them. These mirrors, I just found these on Amazon. The light fixtures I found on Amazon as well. I also got these cute little towels on Amazon that were engraved, already engraved with letters, so they know whose is who. I can link those below if you're interested in anything I show. And then the shower. We decided that they would do a walk-in shower only. They don't need a bathtub, again, as they grow. And this is where I kind of had fun with the colors. We picked a green for the shower. So here's the shower. And we had them do a subway pattern, but a stacked subway pattern. And actually, this is the first time I'm standing in here. I'm in here. They might have the nicest shower in the house now that I think about it. I mean, we have a nice shower, but this is pretty nice. So again, just kind of, I went with white on here. If I do it over, maybe I would have put black on the floor. But I love their shower, and it's very masculine, it's very boy. Yep, so that is their bathroom. And like I said, the great thing was being able to create this Jack and Jill where they can walk through to the other room. Now this room was considered true attic space, even with if they would have finished the original floor plan, but I thought we've got to have a true third bedroom. So it was a little bit of a challenge because this is a very long and narrow space, but I think what we came up with is a great solution. And this actually might be one of my favorite rooms. I love the green that we chose. That was an evergreen fog. He wanted green. So you can see it's long and narrow, but we figured out some good placement. he loves Charlie Brown, so we did a Peanuts theme. Now we did have to add this window. There was not a window here, and the day they were cutting the brick out of the house, I just couldn't look. I couldn't watch. I was like, please don't fall. These sweet guys are on ladders just cutting out the brick, taking it out. So in order to create the true bedroom, we added that window and did the same matching bookshelves in here, the same color. Again, it's not all organized, it's not all decorated yet, but I do love this little room, and I can link everything that we used in here. These are Pottery Barn dressers. Wanting, again, get furniture that's gonna grow with them. Like, they can take these off to college, but the bed that I found that matches like a cheap one off of Amazon, and they look so much alike, and they light up, which is really cool. Now on to our super girly area for our princess. She is the princess of the family, and I love it, and I'm gonna let her be a little princess. And my husband jokes that he wanted this room because it has the best views. But we went super girly, pink. I love it. The pink is Romance by Sherwin-Williams. It pulls a little more salmon-y and peachy instead of a bright pink. And I love her room. And look at this, my sister is making the most beautiful mural for her. She's still working on it, but look at this. It's kind of like being in that enchanted forest. We're thinking about moving the bed over here. Right now, we don't want to put it in the way, but even if we leave this here, I think it looks great. But this beautiful enchanted mural, and then we might even add a little bit over there. But this is her big girl room, and I had these built-ins done as well. These were not here, so these are great built-ins to have just to store all of her toys. And then we built this window seat in, which actually serves as a little chest, and it's just a nice little thing. And I had them add these sconces in because she likes to sleep with a little light at night, so that's nice that you can, and I had them dimmable. So I love those sconces too. The thing that everyone who has come up here goes crazy over, I'm about to show you. Right in here. Her bathroom. Check out the tile. This is probably my favorite design element we've done up here. The pink herringbone tile is just, I'm obsessed with it. It was a risk, but again, we went girly and super custom up here because hopefully we have no plans of moving anytime soon. And in her bathtub, we did a bathtub shower because she's still little and she likes to take her baths. And that's, if we do ever move, good for resale value. And we did this kind of glazed subway tile, but I love this little, let me move her bluey soap. I love this little tile that we put in here. I just wanted to add something really fun. And when we were picking out tiles, I saw that and I thought that would just be super cute as a little niche insert. But this is her bathroom. What I want to have given to have a bathroom like this as a little girl, but I love it. Her mirror, again, just found on Amazon, found the light fixture from Amazon. I can link that. Vanity, not from Amazon, but I can link it all below. Okay, now this area also in the original floor plan should have been left as true attic space, but I'm like, if we're gonna build this out, we need to take advantage of it. We need to make it as much square footage as we can. So while this area is just kind of very much in its primitive state, I plan to turn it into a really adorable homework workspace for the kids. Have a computer up here. As you can see, we've got a few things. We did the chalk wall. I love a chalk wall. A chalk wall is so easy to do, and the kids love to, write on it. So we'll do something here and there. I have a table that they can do homework. I'm planning on doing something really great on this wall, having kind of a long table with a computer and all different ways to store things. So this will be an upcoming project when I get started on that. Now here is the last thing that when we were designing the upstairs space, I said, I've gotta have this. I have to have this up here. And even though people have questioned, why would I put that all the way up here? It's a laundry room because all the kids are up here. Now, my house looks clean right now, but the laundry is not finished. So you are about to see piles of laundry that I haven't gotten to yet. But we created a large laundry room up here because the only laundry room in the house right now is on the main level, and it's very small compared to the size of the house. So while we did leave that down there, this has kind of become the primary washroom for the kids, all of their stuff. And again, closed it off. Let me clean it up real quick. Whatever, come on and see it. It's real life, people. We put in a sink here. I love this. Again, I haven't decorated it yet, people, but we did this marble top, which I absolutely love. We have a sink here to clean things up, which is really helpful. Like the other night, my son got sick and I needed to wash out all the blankets, and just having the sink next to the laundry room. Again, this is why we tried to do it at the time of construction, because it was like, we could just add that in so much easier than trying to go back after the fact. So we did that. We built this island, which is great for folding all the clothes that I haven't folded yet. And it's got nice storage in the middle, and then the front loading washer. So this has been one of my favorite additions because I spend a lot of time doing laundry when you're a family of 5. So again, kept the little one downstairs, but this has become the main laundry room. So stay tuned because I'm gonna spruce up that space a little bit and add some customization. Still gonna do some customization to the little homework area and, I don't know, spruce up the loft a little bit. So this area is the loft. We wanted to make it kind of like a kid central area. One thing that I have to give my husband the credit for is he was like, we should do built-ins and we should do them at the time of construction, where I'm like, oh, I can do them myself afterwards. But that was worth every penny getting them to do these built-ins, and we did them all over, and they're one of my favorite things that we did. I have not added anything, guys. I'm showing you a very raw version of the upstairs. It's just incredibly clean today, so that's why we're filming it today, because I had amazing cleaners come and help me. And so before my kids get home from school and it gets totally torn apart, I'm gonna at least give you a preview. The built-ins are a little bare at the moment, but they will eventually be decorated. So this has kind of become our little, my son's gamer section. We've got a couch. I had them kind of get me to an initial level, and then some of the things after the fact, I still get to customize. Like I thought about adding some fun beams to match the beams downstairs. We'll get to some other parts where I have some things planned, but the thing that I love most about this is our kids finally have their long-term permanent bedrooms. They have been playing musical bedrooms for a long time. Our middle son actually never even had his own bedroom until now, so it's been very special, and also to kind of incorporate their personalities into the decor and into the style. So I'd love for you to comment what is your favorite part of the finished upstairs, and I'll catch you guys next time.